Create unique ornaments that will bring a fresh, modern touch to your Christmas tree. Start by preparing a plastic container and grabbing a few wax crayons. The color palette is entirely up to you. Combine your favorite shades or match them to your interior. Contrasting tones will give a bold effect, while pastels will create a soft, elegant look. Use a sharpener to make thin shavings from the crayons. Mix the colors freely to get an interesting result. Once you have your colorful mix ready, take clear ornaments and fill them with the crayon shavings. Then, gently heat the ornament with a hairdryer. The warmth will cause the shavings to melt slightly, blending into beautiful swirls of color. Be careful not to use too much heat. Watch as the crayons slowly melt, creating magical, vibrant patterns inside. Finally, tie a decorative ribbon on top, and it's ready. Hang it on your tree and admire the result. Each ornament is one of a kind, like a tiny piece of art, adding creativity and sparkle to your holiday decor.